Hi friends, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, 17th of September 2020, and the time now is 5 o'clock. I have just finished my concrete pouring of around the post, this one, and for the blackout, which is similar to this one. So when I remove that blackout, it will look like this as well. As I said yesterday, I put like a slope from the post to the shutter so that no water pounding on around the post. So, and the reason why I did not put like a slope on the other side or the behind, because we got a wall in here. So basically the wall, concrete wall, is sitting just like here. Yeah. And tomorrow I'm gonna put the blackout here as well, which is similar to that one. This is another clean out on the corner, so when the water coming from the downpipe here, the water will flow, and there's a clean out here, then it flows in the corner, and then it flows all the way through there. The reason why I put clean out in between, so that then when there's a clog somewhere here, you can easily clean whatever foreign things stuck on this area. And the reason why I put a clean out this corner, because we have a subsoil drain flowing this way, so it might accumulate some silt in this area, so my son can easily clean it, as well as from this corner as well. Yeah. And tomorrow as well, I'm gonna pour concrete on this wall up to right here. So start fence wall, start from this side, from this point all the way through the end. So yeah, I just pour the concrete for the wall from this side here up to basically from this point here, and then that's it. And then start the wall from this point right to the end before pouring this water channel on boundary wall. So in other words, this concrete wall is a prerequisite of this water channel. So once I finish concrete on the wall here, so the next one would be this side here. So basically, from, just reiterate, from this point here, concrete wall starts from here and it will end on this point here, and then there's another concrete pouring for this side here all the way through. Yeah. Yesterday I found a small subsoil drain which is really fit from that point to this point here. That's exactly the length I need, and then I'll show you some. Just give me a sec. I'll take that fittings. It's not here. Must be somewhere. Well, I can find the T-joint. Where's that one? Where's the... Sorry about that. I can't find the T that will connect the pipe, the subsoil drain, and the subsoil drain from here. There's a T joint that will flow to water channel. Here. Okay. Sorry. Yes. So this looks like that. And then there's a subsoil drain from this side here that will connect to this side, the left hand side, and then it's like a 10 to 20 mil difference, and the discharge will flow on this water channel. Yeah, it looks like that, but basically we have a 3% slope from that end, from this end up to this end, in the middle here. That's a 3% slope, meaning 30 mil for every meter drop. 30 mil drop for every meter, I should say. That's 3%. Yeah. Alright, friends, I'll just give you an update tomorrow. So hopefully we have the same fine weather like today. It's the first month of spring in New Zealand, but it's still cold at night. That's why the flowers, the cherry blossom starts to bloom, as you can see on our, that's my property over there, the one with the cherry flower, and this is my son's house. So yeah, just give you an update about the cost so far. So we spend like $600 for the concrete, builder's mix and cement. And so I reckon we will spend less than 1,000 to finish all up, including the third part of this concrete footpath, which is the bottom concrete footpath, which is after that gate. So we're about 2 meters from there down. So that's the third part of subsoil drain. Of a concrete footpath. So and the reason why we gotta put concrete footpath on that area, because if not, so it's too muddy. That's why my son suggests that we need to put concrete footpath about 2 meters from that end. Alright, folks, my friends, so that's about it for today, and hope you like my short presentation of this concrete footpath construction. Yeah, hopefully everyone's okay, COVID free, and everyone's no problem at all. Please be safe. God bless you, and bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel.